Today we're taking a bunch of new releases from Jowua. This is a Tesla accessory company that has sent us a lot of products in the past. They make very high quality product and they have sent us very useful products today that we're going to be unboxing, showing you how to use it. Let's get started. So as I said, these products are sent to us by Jowua free of charge. You can go to their website. You can see a lot of the Tesla products here. And if you go over here, pick out your product and add to cart, you can go to a tab where you can put a discount code, and if you put Shiva Tesla as a discount code, you should be able to save significant amount of money, and in return we make a very small commission, no additional cost to you. Greatly helps us bring videos like this in the future. Thank you very much. Let's continue. The very first product we're taking a look at is this hub with a NVMe SSD for your dashcam and Sentry Mode. With the addition of the new feature on the spring update from Tesla, now you can essentially make your car a 360-degree recording machine all day, every day. You don't even have to press on the honk to save certain clips. You can go back like a full day or even days and then see what you may have missed and then save that to your dash cam. But for that, you need a lot of storage. And very likely you're already getting this alert on your Tesla where it says the dash cam capacity reduced. You need to delete your older storage. So if you never want to deal with that and make sure that you always have storage and you are always being able to save anything you may have missed, this is the way to go. This is what the hub looks like. There is one USB-A there, and then you get a splitter with 3 USB-A. And if you want to plug this into your laptop, they also now give you a USB-A to USB-C there. So most laptops only have USB-C. So then you can just plug this and over here and be able to look at all the data that you have. So super slick aluminum body here, and it lets you have more USB-A ports for stuff like if you need to plug in your gaming controller, because then you can put the dongle and everything right here. So how this works is you are going to reach underneath there and you see that USB-A that you have here. We are going to take this out. We're not going to need this because it has only 128 gig. Now we're going to replace this with a 1 terabyte SSD, and all you do is go over here and plug this in. Now you are good to go. You see the little light that toggled. Now this is good. It already has a SSD built in, so you're gonna get the continuous recording, but now you are also able to plug in other stuff so that the Tesla can read it. After you plug it in, go to safety here and then hit format the USB, because we need to format the USB to the appropriate Tesla formatting. And once this is success, as you can see, this has a usable write of 953 gig now. So that means all the alert from earlier are gone. There is no dashcam full alert. As you can see, there was the clip reduced. No, none of that now. It is just no active alert. So now you are good. You are gonna be getting a lot of recordings on your Tesla without getting that error ever again. Next on our list is this 130 watt LED hub for a rear screen vent, which is this guy here for a Highland and Juniper. And you can see the power rating here. So it also has a LED light for night. You can get anywhere from 45 watt to, looks like USB-C is like 82 watt. So you can get a pretty high wattage from each of those, and total of 130 watt. They give you a very clear instruction. So that is the 82 watt there. There's 65, 45, and then there is 45. That is the retractable one here. There's a Velcro to go under the carpet there so that it is secured along with the brackets. And then there are the 2 USB-C ports that we're going to plug into those 2 C ports there, and there is a light. So the installation is super easy. All you have to do is align these 2 USB-Cs here and push this in, and then just secure this into its place. There you go. This is good to go. Now you have access to those ports on the side, on both sides, and then there is also a light here that I'm going to show you a little bit on the dark what that looks like. But I believe that is your fastest port here with the 85 watt, and then all the other ones are pretty fast too. So there's the Jowua badge here, and then if you press, you're going to be able to see the light. So if you drop something on the floor, that's how you're gonna get. And then this is a USB-C retractable, and it's pretty long. So now I'm able to use it all the way up here, charge my phone, put my phone there. When I'm done, I just pull it a little bit and then be able to just insert it back. That is perfect. So I didn't lose any ports. There are 2 side ports, and now you get a retractable one as well. So I've connected this wire. This is a high capacity USB-C wire, and that is connected now to my power bank here. And that is the port that is supposed to give 82 watt. And if you look at it here, I am getting 56.5. The problem is that at 16 volt, this is what it is. This power bank can only take in about, looks like 3 or 4 amps, so it is not going to be the full 82. So this power bank is incapable of getting that. But I just wanted to show you that it can reach 56.5 with the limit on the power bank. That just shows me that this is indeed high capacity, that it can produce that 82 watts. So that light is pretty handy. You just press here, and even during the daytime here, as you can see, it is pretty good. I'll show you what this looks like at nighttime. It is going to be super visible. So if you drop anything here, you are going to be able to look for it. Next on the new release are these active cooling phone mounts and chargers. These are MagSafe compatible Qi2 chargers that can go very high capacity, fast charging speeds, and they do not heat up. That is one of the biggest complaints I hear from Tesla owners, is that if they put their phone in the wireless charging pad, it gets really hot. But with this, there is an active fan that is inside there that cools. They also have a semiconductor cooling here to make this so that if you put your phone even for hours, your phone is not going to heat up, and it is sometimes maybe cooler than what you put it in there for. So it is really awesome. We have tested this in the channel. There's big temperature difference that it can make with just the active cooling that is there. So if you're looking for a cooler charging, faster charging phone, these are a great way to go. Of course, the hidden phone mounts are a big hit in the channel. We have been showing those for many years, and this is really convenient. You just install this on the back of your center screen, and then it just folds and hides away. You can charge your phone. You can just also do a non-charging version where you just mount your phone in there whenever you need to. But this is a really convenient hidden way of charging your phone and having a fast charger, as well as hide everything when not in use. Now, next product is not a high-tech product, but for your comfort and fatigue for the long road trips. As you can see, this has a honeycomb pressure relieving patterns here, this neck pillow. And one thing I like about this is these are adjustable. So you can adjust this band. You can take it all the way up here or down here, so that if you're a shorter person or a taller person, you can adjust it to your liking. And they send you two different covers here. So one for the winter, one for the summer. So this is the summer one. It is nice and cool. So you can see that it has a memory foam that relieves the pressure, and it is nice and cool. So this is great for the summer. And for the winter, you get another pillowcase here that you can put so that it will keep you warm in the winter as well. So this is a well thought out design here, and just like any other thing, you just put this strap on the seat here and then be able to install it. So obviously nothing fancy here. There's just this strap that we can put around this pillow case here for the seat, and then I have this pressure point. I think this height is perfect for me, so I don't have to go get any other neck pillows while I'm on the road. It perfectly just sits there, and I can just leave it here and have it for on the go. And this is really comfortable, and it just provides the support. It has memory foam, so this is not those little beads or anything there. So with the memory foam, I'm able to just feel that pressure coming in and comfortably hugging it on this area there. Oh, this is gonna be actually really nice for the road trips. So yeah, I mean, there's not much to say, right? Like, it checks out. Now, another product that I use every day are these sunshades for the windows. So if you have your passengers on the back seat, and during the hot sunny day, the sun just goes through the back seat, the window, and these are magic. My passengers absolutely love it, and they want to put this up as soon as they get into the car because it blocks the sun, it reduces the inside temperature, and they work very easily. You just open this up, and you essentially just slide it onto the window. They stick to the window. You don't need anything, no magnet, no weird adhesive or anything. This just works outside of the box like this. I'm also a big fan of their multi-device gaming controller. It comes in different colors, and what I like the best about this are not only they are sleek and they have multifunction that you can connect to your phone, you can connect to your Tesla, to your Switch, anything that you want to connect. It has Bluetooth. It also comes with a little dongle that you can connect it with, but also it wirelessly charges. So all you have to do is set this on your wireless charging pad in the front of your Tesla, and this charges. You don't even have to plug in anything to charge it. I mean, you can plug it in to charge it, but that's the beauty of this, is just you set it and then it'll just charge. And this is super precise. I have a lot of kids in the car oftentimes, and they love using this to control their games. So really big fan of this remote controller. So what do you all think about these products? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. As I said, Jowua makes very high quality product. We have raved about the quality in the past, and very useful product that I still use it after many years. So please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and come back again soon.